Why the best moisturizer is not a moisturizer. So when our skin feels parched, most of us Google what is the best moisturizer, and understandably so. But let's be real, how many of you have found that hope in a jar actually doing the magic it promised? I'm guessing less than 1% of you guys. I've been there too, trying products ranging from $20 to $500 for more than a decade. Think about all the money I wasted. But none of them worked. And I finally realized that was because I was searching for the wrong thing. The key to keeping our skin moisturized is in cleansing. And this is the #1 secret that most beauty conscious Koreans arrive at the end. And the reason is simple. Our body produces natural oil for us that is far superior than any skincare product manufactured out there. In dermatology, we call this ceramides, fatty acid, and cholesterol in our skin barrier. So our job should be to keep this natural spring and free moisturizer generated from our body how much ever we want to preserve. Maybe some of you have oily skin, I did too, and that's okay. We do want to get rid of that excess oil, but not more than that, because getting rid of too much will lead to dehydrated oily skin. Well, Sophie, why can't I just cleanse thoroughly and get a good moisturizer? Because over cleansing and trying to compensate later with skincare product, that's like taking away a diamond and trying to replace it with cubic zirconia. It's stupid. Unfortunately, that's what most people do, myself included. When I was a teenager, I had oily and acne skin, so I double cleansed and exfoliated all the time. And doing so eventually ruined and turned my skin into dry combination skin. Learning how to cleanse properly saved me time, energy, and money, and I feel so comfortable in my skin now, so I hope this video does the same for you. I divided the cleansing method into how much sunscreen and or makeup you wear and into skincare type, so feel free to jump to the chapter the most relevant to you. If your sunscreen or makeup intensity is high, meaning you wear sunscreen, foundation, concealer, lip and eye makeup, or waterproof sunscreen alone without any makeup. And when I say high intensity, I don't mean bold colors or smoky makeup. I'm talking about the amount of makeup you wear and the products that adhere strongly to your skin, like highly pigmented products. Think makeup product descriptions like long-lasting or waterproof. So in these cases, you need 3 different types of cleansers. Lip and eye makeup remover for lip and eye makeup, obviously. Cleansing oil, because makeup and sunscreens are oil-based. So oil removes oil, therefore we need cleansing oil. And for the 3rd round, based on your skin type, if dry skin, do cleansing toner or low acidic cleansing foam. If you have oily skin, do low acidic or low alkaline cleansing foam. If you're not sure what cleansing toner is, watch my toner 101 video. I'll link it in the description and comment. So the key is not trying to get rid of everything in the first round. You will likely do way more harm to your skin trying to get rid of every last bit of dirt and makeup, because you'll be applying more pressure and cleansing for a longer duration. If you do so, you'll take away too much moisture from your skin and damage your skin barrier during the process. It's like washing clothes. The more you rub, the cleaner your clothes will get, but the more damage to the fabric. Same goes for your skin. Too much friction is never good. So aim for 85 to 90% during the cleansing oil step and rely on the 3rd round using cleansing toner or cleansing foam to remove the rest. If your sunscreen or makeup intensity is medium, meaning you wear Easy Wash sunscreen, foundation, like lip and eye makeup. I explained the concept of Easy Wash sunscreen in my real Kbeauty video, so go check that out. But basically, Easy Wash means it can be removed with just a cleansing foam. Yes, if you wear non-Easy Wash sunscreen, you do need an oil-based cleanser. And note that most sunscreens, including the social media craze, Beauty of Joseon sunscreens, and the Round Labs Birch Moisturizing Sunscreen, they are not Easy Wash. Anywho, for medium intensity, here are the cleansers you need. First, cleansing oil or cleansing water. I recommend cleansing oil because wiping with cleansing water is just too much friction on your skin over long term and can tear down your skin barrier. And second round, for oily skin, do low acidic or low alkaline cleansing foam. If you have dry skin, skip the second round and go straight to skincare. Now for dry skin folks, I understand that finishing with cleansing oil alone does not give you that squeaky clean feeling that all of us want. If you really don't like that feeling of residue from cleansing oil, wipe with a cleansing toner as your first skincare step, or do a very light foam cleanser. But remember that while that pristine and immaculate feeling may feel good or even feel right, that's a shortcut to dry skin, and it's the definition of an excessive cleansing, aka what I used to do. I know it's hard. I used to love that squeaky clean feeling too, but learn to let go of that longing for that feeling. If you have watched so far but it feels too complicated, you're not sure between am I high intensity or medium intensity, then just use cleansing oil, because cleansing oil has the highest cleansing efficacy than other types of products. If your sunscreen or makeup intensity level is low, meaning you wear easy wash sunscreen and just some light moisturizing foundation, you know, the annoying kind that you have to reapply because it doesn't stay in your face, then I recommend only one round of cleansing regardless of your skin type, using cleansing foam or cleansing water. You don't have to double cleanse. Unnecessarily doing so, you will be taking away the natural oil that your body needs and crave, and it will only dry out your skin. Now that we talked about the different levels of cleansing you need to do, let's talk about each type of cleanser and how you should use them. An important thing to remember about using any cleanser is to be gentle and to keep it short. That's because too much scrubbing and wiping, you can damage your skin protective barrier. And I love this tip because keeping it short saves time and effort, and it's better for your skin. What better skin tip is that? So for cleansing oil, remember 30-30-30. 30 seconds gentle massage with oil, add a little bit of water, massage for another 30 seconds, and then rinse off for 30 seconds. For cleansing foam, the secret to using cleansing foams properly is to create a foam using your palms, instead of doing that on your face, instead of creating foam on your face. What you want is the bubbles to get into your pores and cleanse for you. So it should not be the physical motion of rubbing, but the foams itself, the bubbles themselves, that should be doing the cleansing. So once there's enough foam on your hands, start with gentle round motions and massage the bubbles into your face gently. With cleansing toner, the chemical makeup of a cleansing toner, I have the recommendations by skin type in this video. That already provides a certain level of cleansing, but you can also wipe with a cleansing toner, which I explained in the other video, letting you use both physical and chemical force to cleanse. But remember to wipe gently. And there you have it. With the right cleanser and technique, you can now properly cleanse your skin. Remember, just enough cleansing is essential in achieving healthy skin. So get your cleansers and cleansing techniques right first before spending any money on other types of skincare products. Try the 30-30-30 tonight. That is less than a 2-minute cleansing habit that you can adapt today, and it will have tremendous impact on your skincare routine. Most importantly, have fun, find a routine that works for you, and do not let any tell you that you're nothing but beautiful, because you are. And as always, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please hit the subscribe and like button. It helps me create even more content like this for you guys. Let me know in the comments how you like this video and what else you want to learn about. Ciao!